Good morning student, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to turn on class 9 subject maths exercise 3.3 from NCERT. First of all, today we will study to get about the Cartesian plane. So let's see the first question of your book in exercise 3.3. Question number first is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So first of all, we know that any point locate, this is 2 axis and x axis, this is y axis. It is also known as abscissa and it is ordinate. So first, in the point -2, 4, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. So it lies in the which quadrant? Second quadrant. So it lies in second quadrant. And second is 3, -1. Abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. It lies in fourth quadrant. And third, -1, 0. This point lies on the negative x-axis. The point lie on the negative x-axis. Okay. Now the fourth point, fourth, 1, 2, it's lie in the first quadrant. This is a positive. First quadrant. And -3 and -5. It is lying. It's lying lies in third quadrant. Okay, please write down. Let us locate these points on the Cartesian plane. Plot the points in Cartesian plane. Points is -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, -0, 1, 2, and -3, -5. Okay, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, and this is a origin point, because the point of intersection of the axis is called origin point. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. X, y dash, y, and x dash. Now the point -2, 4. -2 is here and y-axis positive and positive. It means this is -2, 4. And 3, -1, x-axis 3 and y-axis -1, and this is 3, -1. This is A point and this is B point, and third is -1, 0. X is -1 and 0 is here. This is -1, 0, C point, and D is 1, 2. 1 is here and 2 is here. 1, 2. This is D point, and E -3 and -5. -3 and -5. -3, -5. It is E point. Clear? Now the next question number 2. Plot of the point xy given the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखिए. y -2 8 -1 7 0 -1.25 and 1 3 3 -1. Put the value in coordinate axis. Zero, 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 and -1 -2 -3 -4 +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6 7 8. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X y dash and here is x dash. First point is x comma y यानी -2 और 8. -2 x-axis and 8 is y-axis. -2 comma 8. Second -1 7 -1 and y is 7 -1 comma 7. Next 0 comma -1.25 0 and y is negative 1.25 1 and 2 के बीच में लाई करेगा means something. 0 comma -1.25 A point B point and this is C point. Next 1 3 x is 1 and y 3 1 comma 3 D point and last is 3 comma -1 3 comma -1. This is E point 3 comma -1. Clear? So the exercise will be completed. So student, today class 9, that's why this ends. Tomorrow we'll meet again a new exercise 3.4. Thank you. Have a nice day.